Geometry. The word might take you back to a classroom filled with protractors and equations. However, the true magic of geometry extends far beyond the pages of textbooks. It thrives in the dynamic world around us. Look around and you'll find it in the graceful arc of a bird's flight or the intricate patterns of a spider's web. Geometry is not just about memorizing theorems, it's about understanding the language of shapes, patterns, and spatial relationships. This dynamic geometry shapes our world, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. We encounter geometry in our everyday lives, often without even realizing it. The way we navigate a crowded street, the way a tree branches out to catch the sunlight, even the way we fold a piece of paper. These are all expressions of geometric principles in action. So, let's embark on a journey beyond the confines of the classroom and explore the fascinating world of geometry in action. Every step we take, every movement we make traces a geometric pattern in space. Even the simple act of walking is a testament to our innate understanding of geometry. With each stride, we create lines and angles, our body's motion forming a living, breathing geometric sequence. Imagine yourself stepping forward. You extend your leg, your foot forming a vertex, the point where two lines meet. Your leg and the ground create an angle, a measure of the space between those lines. As you shift your weight and swing your other leg forward, you are essentially drawing triangles in space. As we move through the world, we influence the geometry around us. We create paths through a field, our footsteps leaving a trail of compressed grass that speaks to our passage. We are constantly shaping and reshaping our environment, often without conscious thought, through the fundamental principles of geometry. Nowhere is the dynamic interplay of geometry and human behavior more evident than in the bustling heart of a city. Here, amidst the towering skyscrapers and throngs of people, we engage in a constant, intricate dance of movement and spatial awareness. As we navigate crowded sidewalks, our brains are constantly calculating trajectories and anticipating the movements of others. We adjust our speed and direction, subtly shifting our course to avoid collisions. We weave through gaps in the flow of pedestrians, instinctively gauging distances and angles to find the most efficient path. Our movements may seem random, but they are governed by an unspoken language of spatial cues and geometric principles. This subconscious understanding of geometry extends to the very design of our urban spaces. Section 4. Nature's Blueprints. Adaptive Geometry in Action. Venture beyond the man-made world, and you'll find that nature is a master of geometry. From the smallest insects to the largest galaxies, the universe is teeming with patterns and shapes that reflect underlying mathematical principles. Consider the intricate branching patterns of a tree. Each branch grows in a way that maximizes its exposure to sunlight while maintaining the structural integrity of the whole. Look closely at a spider web, and you'll discover a marvel of engineering and geometry. Bird flocks in flight provide another stunning example of nature's dynamic geometry. This aerial dance is not random, it's a highly coordinated ballet guided by each bird's awareness of its position relative to its neighbors. Section 5. Beyond the Textbook. Embracing Imperfection. The geometry we learn in school often focuses on idealized shapes and precise measurements. But in the real world, true geometry is rarely so neat and tidy. It's messy, imperfect, and constantly adapting to the ever-changing conditions of the environment. Nature, in all its wisdom, understands that perfection is often less important than adaptability. The beauty of real-world geometry lies in its imperfections, its ability to adapt and evolve in response to the challenges of the environment. It's a geometry that embraces irregularity, asymmetry, and variation. Embrace the imperfections, celebrate the variations, and appreciate the elegance of nature's adaptive geometry. Section 6. The Geometry of Intention, Shaping Our World. We've seen how geometry shapes the natural world, from the movement of planets to the growth of trees. But humans too possess an innate understanding of geometry, and we use it to shape our world in profound ways. This is the geometry of intention, where our conscious choices and creative impulses manifest in the physical environment. Architecture stands as a powerful testament to the geometry of intention. From the soaring arches of Gothic cathedrals to the sleek curves of modern skyscrapers, architects use geometric principles to create structures that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. But the geometry of intention extends far beyond the realm of professional architects. Every time we arrange furniture in our homes, plant a garden, or even set a table for dinner, we are engaging in an act of spatial design. The geometry of intention is a powerful tool for shaping our world and expressing our creativity. By understanding the principles of geometry, we can become more conscious creators of our environments, shaping our world to reflect our values, our aesthetics, and our aspirations.